todos, bienvenidos de nuevo a nuestro canal de YouTube de Hospitality ESL. Hoy tenemos una lección emocionante para todos los profesionales hoteleros. Practicaremos una conversación en inglés básico entre María, una ama de llaves, y Juan, un empleado de mantenimiento, donde están hablando de ellos mismos, de dónde vienen, familia, gustos y disgustos. Presta mucha atención porque al final dejaremos unas preguntas para que tú respondas y dejes tus dudas o respuestas en la sección de comentarios. Entonces, ¡comencemos!
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well too. I was wondering, what country are you from? I forgot.
I'm from Mexico. How about you?
I'm from Colombia. It's great to meet another Latino here.
Yes, it's always nice to meet people. Do you have any family here in the United States?
No, unfortunately, I don't have any family here. What about you?
I have a cousin who lives here, but that's about it. Most of my family is still in Mexico.
I know how you feel. It can be hard to be away from family, especially during holidays.
Yeah, it's tough, but we make it work. So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I'm just planning to relax at home, maybe do some laundry. Do you have plans?
I'm thinking about trying some new restaurants in the area. Have you tried any good Latin American restaurants around here?
Actually, there's a great Colombian restaurant nearby. They have really good empanadas and bandeja paisa. You should try it.
That sounds amazing. I love empanadas. What other type of food do you like?
I like trying different types of food. From Mexico, I really like enchiladas.
I love enchiladas too. We should plan to go out for lunch sometime and try some new places.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's do it.
Awesome. I'm looking forward to it.
No problem. It's always great to share food recommendations.
Now, answer the following questions. Where is Juan originally from? Does Maria have any family in the United States? What kind of food does Maria recommend to Juan? What do Juan and Maria plan to do together? What is the common interest that Juan and Maria share? Déjanos saber cómo te fue en los comentarios y si quieres saber más acerca de nuestros programas, contáctanos en el link que se encuentra en la descripción. Until next time!